Hey friends, I'm coming to you for another Do the Math lesson. This is lesson 12. Yesterday we did lesson 11. I hope you understood everything that was needed. If not, we will be meeting on Thursday in a live math chat to discuss this week's lessons and how maybe I can improve upon them. But this week is my first go at it, and I want you to know today I found a awesome tool. It's the fraction strips, okay? It's a virtual tool that I have here that will help hopefully maybe understand things a little bit better. So today's fraction activity is called Make a Whole. In this activity, you have to figure out how much more you need to add on to a fraction train to make one whole. Well, we're first going to start with 1/8 and 1/8. Okay, so what our addition problem would look like would be 1/8 plus 1/8. But we also need to add another fraction to give us one whole. Because do you see how much we have left here that we have not filled in? So it's our job in this activity to fill it in. And so I'm going to complete this train. So each of these lines, this is a one whole train. This underneath is another train that we're building to make one whole with different fractions. Okay, so I'm going to complete this train so it equals one whole. I will use pieces that are all the same color. So 1/8 is purple. So I'm going to use the remainder of the eighths to build this train. All right, that took a little bit of time because we used 1/8 pieces, but we had 2/8 to begin with, 1/8 plus 2/8. So how many more did we have to add to fill in this blank spot right here, this to fill in that addend? Okay, so we had to use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6/8 to make one whole. So I would just put in 6/8. So 1/8 plus 1/8 plus the missing 6/8 would equal one whole. Your fraction strips are wonderful visual tools to use to help you. So you will need to have these out for your activity. Okay? So let's do another example. Let's say that I'm going to restart. And I'm actually going to use, I'm going to of course put my one whole first. I'm going to do 1/8 again. Okay? Plus 1/8. I just want to show you there's more than one way to solve this problem. So I could put 1/8 plus 1/8 plus, here's a box. We don't just have to use eighths. We could also see about, well, let's just say we want to use fourths. So let's see if fourths will fit and how many will fit. Fits like a glove. It fits perfectly. So how many fourths do we have to put in this empty box? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. 3/4 is what we would write in this box. So 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 3/4 also equals one whole. So you could come up with different types of fractions to equal one whole. And on your workbook, which I'm about to go to, it's going to show you the two fractions it wants you to use. So we will do the first as the first one or two as an example, and then you will complete the rest. Let me erase what I have here, clear my annotations, go back to that. All right, So I'm going to have to go back and forth from page to page. All right. So here's the deal. Our first problem. It gives you the instructions at the top on your workbook pages today. So basically it gives you the two fractions they want you to use. First and foremost, you will always put your blue strip down. Then it says you're going to use the fraction pieces that are listed at the top for each one underneath your 1/2. So, for example, we have 1/2 and 1/8. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put my 1/2 up, and they have 1/2 up here, and then they had 1/8. So our addition problem is going to look like 1/2 plus 1/8 plus box. We want it to equal 1/2. So what fractions are we going to use? They have to be the same colored fraction. What are we going to use to fill in the remainder of this 1/2? Well, I say we go with the 8ths first. So I'm going to switch over to my cursor. So I'm going to put 1/8, 2/8, 3/8. Oh, Miss Joyce's got to turn on her pen. So we now have created an addition problem with 1/2 plus 1/8 plus 3/8 equals 1. So we have our 1/2 and our 1/8 that we started with, and then we just added 3 more eighths to give us 1/2. Okay? And what it wants you to do is it wants you to fill the space to make whole with pieces of make the whole with pieces of one color. So remember, you have, like we did just a while ago, we did the 3/8. If you decide to use 1/16, you need to use all 1/16 pieces. So number 3, the final thing that you would be doing on your paper, you will use your strips to create it. But then you will write your equations, and you have to have 2 equations for each problem. So there's 1/2 plus 1/8 plus 3/8 equals 1. We did that together. And then they also did 1/2 plus 1/8, and they added 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sixteenths, which equals 1. All right. Now we're going to do number 1 together, and then I'm going to leave you to do the rest on your own today. So let's look at what they asked for number 1. It's 1/2 and 1/4. So here we go. I'm going to start by pulling up my 1/2 fraction strip, and then I pull up a 1/2 and a 1/4. So our problem is going to look like this, that we're going to write our first problem. 1/2 plus 1/4 plus, we have to fill in that addend. The addend is the fraction we're missing. So we will now go back to our fraction strips and look, and we'll be like, what could we fit in here? Well, very easily. We could fit another 1/4. So that would be 1/2 plus 1/4 plus 1/4. So you would write in the empty box 1/4 equals 1/2. Those 3 fractions equals 1/2. Now let's look at doing another problem with the same 2 fractions. And then we're going to use a different one to fill in the box, and it's still going to equal 1/2. Okay? Oh, it won't let me take it back, so I have to start all over again. So we start with our 1/2, 1/2, 1/4. So we've got to look and say, what can fit here? Can 1/3 fit here? No, 1/3 cannot fit. Okay, do you see how it goes over the one whole strip? So we would have to put that back. Well, 1/2 would be way too much, and we've already done 1/4. Let's look at 1/8. 1/8. So it would be 1/2 plus 1/4. Plus how many eighths did we fit? 1, 2. So in the box you would put 2/8. Now, equals 1 whole. Now friends, I know that your workbook page does not have number 1 and 2 for each of the boxes. I get it. All right. However, these equations you would just write in here. So I can do it like this. Well, number 1 was 1/2 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 equals 1 whole. And my second problem would be 1/2 plus 1/4 plus, we figured out it was 2/8 also gives us 1 whole. Okay, so that's what each of your boxes is supposed to look like. You're supposed to have 2 problems, 2 equations in each box using those 2 fractions and then adding different of the same color fractions to the strip to complete it. Okay? All right, I hope you all have a great day. This went a little longer than I wanted to, but it is all good. I hope you understand, and if you don't, please email me and let me know. Okay? Or give me a call or text. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.